Hi, I'm Ken Ferguson with Nashville Fireplace and Grill. I'm out of Nashville, Tennessee, and we're going to talk about how to clean the fireplace brick above your fireplace opening. There are a couple of things you're going to need is a nylon brush and a soot remover. Whether you're dealing with an insert or a fireplace, occasionally you're going to have smoke that's going to bellow out of the opening when you open the door or in the fireplace, and you're going to get some soot accumulation on the upper brick above the fireplace opening. Use your cleaner, spray it down, moisten it, and then take your nylon brush and scrub it till it's clean. You'll want to dilute that and do it several times so that you can get all the soot off of it. And that's basically how you clean the brick above your fireplace.